Hi, welcome to Cloud Love. My name is Marco Martinez, and today on episode 2. Let's call this one 2.7, 2.8. So let's just recap on what we review, or actually what we show in our previous videos of our Servicenow Twilio Flex plugin. So part 1 was custom CRM on the right side. This is the right side. Part 2 was the ticket creation and ticket update from the it's called task tab, where we are able to create new tickets from here. Part 2.5, let's call it also part 3, was the ability to basically connect to a client that's running on a Windows computer. This is my Windows computer, a remote desktop computer, and running scripts. And for this small update, and again, this is on what I worked during this weekend, I reworked on the look and feel, on the user experience, and by changing from lists to cards, and also at the bottom the text area is now the text is inverted, so it's background black and the font is white. So as you can see, it's working. We now have the computer information that it's gathered from this computer. Okay, that's it. I added a couple of new scripts: map network drive, running processes, defrag C drive, restart PC, get disk space. So in progress, yeah. So that part's working. What else is new? So I also reworked the ticket list for work in progress tickets, and also for the ticket historical tickets. So as you can see, I changed the link, and instead of opening the ticket on Servicenow, I'm now opening a modal with the ticket information. So for example, this ticket 51 was created this date, was updated this date. I still have an option to open that ticket in Servicenow if I want to. What else is new? I added the option to add work notes. As you can see, oh my god, Cloud Lab. So now we can add work notes from here. Actually, basically update the ticket if we want to. So I hope that you like it. This is again was a small update and again, please like this video and subscribe if you like the content. Have a nice day. Bye.